Cherry and I were baking a cake last week and I asked her to decorate it. Well, let's just say that didn't go very well. So, in one of the challenges, Cherry exposed my makeup skills to the world. So, I thought of doing the same to her.
Yes, so Rajeshwari has planned that we should take the Not My Arms challenge again, and this time I will be Rajeshwari's arms and I'll be decorating a cake.
Yeah, so I've made this chocolate cake and I've cut it into 3 different slices because I want her to decorate it 3 different ways. Cherry, are you excited for this?
Yes, I am. Let's see if I'm able to do it, like at least one of them, right?
Yeah, I mean, I can direct you how to go about it, but yeah, well, I have full faith in you. I think you're going to decorate all of them very well.
Let's just begin.
Okay guys, so first I think let's make roses. So I'm going to be starting with, I think I'm going to put some white cream all over the cake. Yeah, I'm picking up my knife. So I'm going to take the knife, I'm going to put it into the cream. I'm going to start with the center piece of cake. So yeah, I'm just going to put it there. Maybe I'll take a little more icing. Because we don't want to be, yeah. Now just going to drop it there. We want to cover the entire cake, guys. So just make sure that you're going everywhere and not just in the center. Let's just spread that cream and maybe then we can start with the icing. Sometimes I like to spread it with the sharp side of the knife because I mean that's how it is supposed to be done, clearly. Yeah, I think now I'm done with my white cream. Let's just put some pretty roses on it. I'm gonna pick up a bag, let's see. Oh yeah, this is the one. Okay, so now I'm going to use this green roses because roses are green. Come on guys, be a little innovative. I'm going to make a lot of roses, maybe a little bit on the side as well. Oh, that's perfect. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So we're going to keep making these roses. Or maybe with the whole plate. But it's okay, that's the whole beauty of it. I mean, decorate as much as you want to. Beautiful rose I've ever seen, actually, guys. I think we're done almost. Maybe just, yeah, I think this is enough. We're good, yeah. So, wow, this is really beautiful. So let's move on to the next cake. I think I'm going to ice it again with some cream. Just going to like spread it on the top a little bit. I'm just going to put a lot more cream, just spread all of that so that it's even. Yeah, that's great. Wow, I'm actually really good at this. Just a little bit on the sides, all sides, a little bit on the plate because the plate is feeling a little left out, of course. And yeah, I think we're done with the cream. Should we make some flowers now? I'm going to make some blue flowers. So just gonna like pipe it once and take it out and do that everywhere. Now it's the time to like squeeze. I'm a little dyslexic right now, so this looks pretty fancy as well. Maybe I should come back to the cake. But oh, this is really beautiful. This actually looks like flowers. Okay, so 2 done, 1 more to go. I'm back with the cream. Yeah, I'm gonna go to my right. No, yeah. Now I'm gonna place it there and just gonna spread. Just gonna pick up this. What? No, not that. I've used that. Yeah, this one. Let's start, guys. Going over the plate because I mean, it's good to give the plate a little bit. Let's go. Wow, that's fancy. Beautiful. Again, I'm just going to make some random lines. Yeah. Oh, maybe I can't stick to the lines. I'm going to make some circles now. Leave the piping bag. Just throw it. You're done with it. So yeah. Oh, I think I just found some really cute hearts. Just going to sprinkle everywhere. I mean, the cakes look pretty good themselves, so I might just do it on the table. Yeah, it's done. Wow, this looks really good, guys. What do you think? So, Cherry, do you want to come outside and see your masterpiece?
Okay. I can't believe this. I think last time was better. Like at least I could decorate the cake. This one is like...
No, but I think this looks really pretty. Don't you think so? And I think the hearts are like perfectly in the center.
What have I done to the blue one?
These were like random lines with some...
Yeah, I think out of the 3 cakes, I think this one is the best. The first one is the best.
Yeah.
However, the white thing I've done properly, huh? Like,
Not bad, yeah.
you know? Anyway, we are done.
I think Chai did a pretty good job. Yeah.
I am not decorating a cake again.
No, you could practice.
I will practice. I will practice. Also, guys, Rajeshwari is leaving us soon. So, yes, I think it's her last video. So, guys, this was it for today's video. If you want us to do any other challenges, comment down below. Download the PopXO app. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to PopXO TV.